Yeah.
Easter egg.
First Easter egg. Wow.
I'm not used to seeing this.
Saan?
This egg.
Oh. Yeah, pag ganyan mo muna kasi itago din ni
Even
ate.
chocolate.
Yeah.
I wanna try it.
These are just for the extras that you want to put.
Yeah. Gusto ko din. Yeah. Yeah. Yan, kunin mo na.
Look what I got, guys. I got the dinosaur. Wait, is this a dinosaur? I don't think it's a dinosaur.
Look at the...
Gito din si ate. Na-assist siya.
I
Lapit
think
ka, ate.
it's something else.
It's a
Yan.
raccoon.
A raccoon.
Assist mo siya.
Look at the... Look at the...
I smell something smelly. Your raccoon is smelly.
Oh. Akala ko kami.
Ako din.
Majok.
Kakong.
Kaya nga. Ano sabi mo? Sabi niya, I smell smelly. Yung pala yung raccoon daw. Nakulukutan ni Dexa. Joker.
Look!
Ah.
Look, it's like this. Do 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 do.
Okay, line them up here.
Okay, line up mo. Yan.
Okay, next
Yan siya.
Your next egg. Leave that one for last. Next egg. Do your
Next
small
egg.
Natawa ako sa'yo, Dexa. Next egg.
I hate the eggs.
egg. Put the eggs in here.
Wait, what if I get a duplicate
Yeah.
on my next egg? What if I get a
Eh, di,
duplicate?
okay lang. Gagawin natin.
Don't be silly.
Or maybe triplet.
Ang sarap talaga ng chocolate na to din.
You're already eating it.
Ay, eat mo na yun, ate. Kunin ko na to. Ayun. Dami. Ano yan?
Let me see. I think it's cards. It's a
Tatagal tayo
dinosaur.
dito, guys. Tatagal tayo. Ang oras to. Isang oras magbukas.
Little dinosaur.
Oh, dinosaur siya.
See?
Kailangan ka pang i-assemble.
Yep. This looks hard. Can you help me out there? Wait, I think I got it.
Yung chocolate niya. Paano ba yan? Hindi na nga ako mag-exercise ngayon.
Carbs.
Ang dami ko pang carbs na kinain. Ngayon, in-added to my fat belly. Oh my.
Mama is pregnant. She has a big belly.
O ba naman yan na? Ano lang, extra carbs lang daw yan. Okay, sige. Ano na?
I need help.
O ate, need help? I-help mo daw siya.
It's another dinosaur.
No, that's a raccoon.
No, this one's a dinosaur.
Yeah, that's a raccoon.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Okay.
What is this?
Bigay mo kay ate, baka kailangan.
Oh,
You
no.
go to the next egg.
It's just a walking thing. I'll finish this for you.
Okay, go ahead to the others.
Next egg.
12 lang siguro ang gagawin natin na i-video, Dexa.
Then the rest you
Yeah, you can enjoy.
to open them by yourself.
Yeah. Okay, so I will do 12 videos lang for Dexa. And then the rest siya na para ma-enjoy niya. Okay, careful with the chocolates.
What is it? Let me see. There's a background too.
Yan, tinutulungan siya ni ate sa mga hindi niya kaya.
And there's stickers. I wonder what it is. I think it's a rocket ship.
So, deal na tayo, Daddy, ha?
This is a printer.
Dali natin siya sa 19.
You put water in here, then you're gonna later put this through, and then you'll print a picture. So we're gonna do a picture. You can do that later, okay? Slide it up here.
Where did this one go? I think it's a launcher. It launches you. I think it launches annoying people.
What?
This is something.
Here, I found a magical rubber band here.
Okay, you want me to fix it?
Ano ang instruction niya?
I found something.
Instruction.
O yan, bigay mo kay ate. So, ayan na yung nagawa na ni ate yung second.
I found bunnies.
Ito siya. Naku, ano to, Dexy? Ba't parang hindi ko maintindihan? Ano siya?
It's a printer.
Oh, okay. Sige, palagay mo dyan. Lagay mo dyan sa extension.
I found stickers.
Okay.
Big
The next one. Oh, nakatayo. Nakatayo lang. Wala siyang anything.
Hindi, the other one, ginagawa ko to.
Okay.
Sige. Moving at a fast pace.
Okay. Kasi ikaw na yung gusto niya mag-connect eh.
Ikaw din, Dexy.
Dexa, you have to do that na. Kasi ate is busy with the other one. So, salitan na lang kayo. Okay?
This one is a car. Let me assemble.
Oh, yeah. And then, wait ka ni ate kung kailan yung isa. I know. Right? Mahirap pala siya. Dapat yung medyo... Ano naman siya?
I mean, it's all for all ages kasi. They expect also some grown up, kids that are older.
Gusto kasi din nila yan eh.
It's yummy.
Hindi nagpi-fit?
This week is so hard. I'm gonna just maybe move on to the next.
Okay. Give to ate. Naipila mo dyan kay ate. Hindi pa nga tapos si ate sa isa eh.
This.
Hindi pa tapos si ate.
Okay. So there's like, you're gonna hold it then.
Oh!
Sis na
Tinumba mo naman lahat.
That wasn't the point. It wasn't supposed to be all of
Na-target
them.
mo lahat.
Ito yung target mo. Dexa.
Oh, that's the target.
This is your target, and then you're gonna put this guy. It's gonna be right here. And you're gonna this one right. You're gonna pull.
Okay. Yun. Ganun. Kanina, lakas eh.
Put the stop. Hey, miss. I put it in the wrong place.
Okay. Ganyan siya, Dexa. Oh, target mo.
But you can. Yeah.
Okay. That's so cool. Oh, di na naman niya tinapos. Next one. Pangilang eggs mo na yan. Bilang lang tayong 12 kasi abutin ako dito ng siyam-siyam. I will just assist you on 12 eggs.
It's a monster. Apocalypse.
Oh, it's a car?
No,
Monster car?
no, it's apocalypse.
Okay.
This looks like you.
Huh? Loko. Akit paano ako naging monster, Dexa? Loko-loko ka, ha? Ako pa ngayon ng monster. Monster mom?
Yup.
Alam mo yan gawin o hindi?
This is so sticky.
Alam mo gawin, hindi?
It's like slime. You can stick on me.
Oh, pwede mag-stick sa'yo?
Yeah, feel this part.
Tingnan niya.
It's sticky.
Ay, oo nga. Sticky siya. Okay.
I wonder what this is gonna be for.
Yan, si ate na tuloy ang naglaro sa'yo.
My bad. It's not my problem. Am I supposed to put this? Okay, I'm gonna look at the instructions.
Tamad Lexi. Tamad kasi siyang tumingin ng instruction ng babaeng to. Naka 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na kayo.
How in the world do people do this?
Si ate nga, ayan o. Seryoso si ate. Mahirap siya, ate? Kahit paano? The instruction is complicated?
No, it's just like the clicking mechanisms.
Oh.
To put in.
Kaya mo yan o hindi, Dexa? Lahat gusto niya lang si ate gumawa. Ayan, nakigawa na sila ng 3. It's okay, 12. Okay, ilagay mo na dito kung okay na.
Wait, I know what this is.
Ano, frog?
Look.
Lizard.
No, look.
Yeah.
This is the thing.
Lizard yan.
No, look.
Oh,
Okay,
look.
this is hat, and
Oh, lizard. It's a
this kind of
lizard.
stuff.
Lizard nga, di ba yung lizard na sa mga wall? Nagka-climb sila, dumitikit sila, may magnet sila sa wall.
No, this one is sticky.
Sticky nga. Okay, nagawa ni Dexa. Okay lang.
Thank you.
Okay, the next one na.
Next one. There's already so much chocolate.
Yeah. Kasi hindi natin kinain yung chocolates eh. Yun. Nilagay lang nila sa isang lagayan. Ay, salamat.
You can drive it like this, Dexa.
Oh.
Or you can fold it and it becomes like a smaller car. Or
Sige na, gawin mo siyang
transform.
Gawin mo siyang ganyan. Kakaiba eh. Oh.
I don't know how to do this.
Oh, nilagay na kay ate. Nabakante lang si ate.
Guys, it's time for next act. Next act.
Kabakante ko lang binigyan niya na sa akin.
Next act.
Pang-anim. Pang-pito na yan, Dex. Size 7 na. Wow.
Looks like
You
this
can
one's
sleep na,
always-
Dad, if you like.
This one is always big for us.
Nag-overtime
I think
kasi
I
ang
got this
daddy
one
namin
last
kanina. Inventory like Sunday. So, ginawa na namin to kasi busy na kami next weekend. Maraming mga activity.
Can you help me open?
Okay, wait.
Stickers for this, Dexa.
Pang-how many na yan?
7.
7. Kasi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Busy na sila. 5 more. O kailangan pa bang i-assemble yan? Baka hindi na.
Yeah. Huh?
Dito ka muna, Dad. Ito yung inaabangan ni Dexa eh. Mula nung binili natin to eh. Naku, araw-araw nagbibilang. How many days more? I feel I can open my Kinder Surprise. Oh, Diyos ko. Ngayon, hindi pala siya ang gagawa, kundi si ate. Lagay ko kaya dito, maganda siya. Ito, mga toys. Lagay ko kaya dito.
Open this.
Para, yan. Nice. Give it, Daddy.
Mama,
Give to Daddy.
look, this, you open this, and then this will stamp. You see?
Open ko pa yan. Dito lang yan. Dito yan, lagay ko dito, oh. Lagay ko dito.
Yeah, I open this, and then it's a stamp.
Okay. I-open mo, then stamp lang siya. Okay. Okay na to.
Get next egg.
Next egg, stamp lang daw to pala.
I'm an alien robot.
Ito dito. Okay.
What in the world? This looks like
8 na yan.
penguin colors. Yeah, this is a penguin, I think. Because you're the one who bought it.
Uy, hindi siyang bumili. Tayong dalawa, Dexa.
No?
Oh, I was at Santa Claus.
Liar.
Loko tong si Dexa. Love ka lang ni ate, kaya ganyan. Kung ano nung ginagawa mo kay ate.
Oh, Dexa, it's another shooting one.
Oh, dito ko na nilagay, oh.
Ito, Dexa, look. Ready?
Yeah, I know. I literally read it.
Oh, sa ilong niya, itama mo sa ilong.
This one looks
Mapango
really
siya.
mad.
Oh, ayan naman, Dexa, mabilis.
No.
Oh, may mga sticker din. Enjoy mo, maglagay ng mga sticker.
It's not
sige.
shooting out.
Oh, there.
Very weak lang.
Yeah, weak lang yung niya. Di kagaya dito kanina na malakas, no? Okay, next. Ayan, kung ano ng mga inaano nila sa mga bata. Yan, may mukha pa.
Look, kids can do this.
Yan na, dalawa na. Okay.
Who even made this? This is so
Give me also one chocolate more. Oh my God. Sarap ng chocolate na to.
sorry, but to say something.
It's okay. Ilan na lang? 4 na lang, Dexa.
No.
Ngayon, no? Meron na lahat to. Na kay ating isa, so 4 na lang. Then you can do the rest.
By yourself.
By yourself na.
Wala na si Ate dyan.
Ngayon lang, tatawagin ka din niya.
It's the same one. This is a duplicate.
Try to do it yourself.
Dexa, gusto mo lang magbukas.
It's not my problem, though.
Ay,
That's not part of the Kinder surprise, like experience.
I know.
Build it.
Paano kapag may activity si ate today, oh? Ano yan, di ikaw talaga gagawa.
If I went out with my friends, dapat lumabas na nga ako with my friends.
We have to do it. Kasi hindi mo makita yung mga toys. Try to do it para ma-enjoy mo. The rest na, Dexa, ikaw na ha, para ma-enjoy mo.
Okay. Okay.
We waited for this for too long.
You waited.
It's a orca eating a fish.
Okay. Ayan.
Saan natin?
Ito daw yung...
This is an alien robot.
Okay. Apat pa dito. Pat babakante sa egg niya.
Sorry guys, but this
Dito ko na nga
will
lilagay,
take
oh.
1 hour.
You see my face? Do I look happy to you?
Yeah.
Binalik ka niya nung maliit ka, Dexy.
Why?
Kasi ikaw ang nagaganyan eh.
Yeah, but like, that's because, and I was so opening it. Why do I have to help right now?
Itabi mo yung mga ano.
Nasaan yung sticker for this?
Wala, wasan na.
Celia, where's the sticker for this? There. For this one, the airplane. You didn't give me the sticker. No?
Itabi niyo yung mga nagawa niyo na.
No, that's not for this. No.
Ayan, hindi yan. Ayun, nandun sa loob. Mayroon na sa loob. Ayun. Yan ba yun?
And
Yan?
Alexa, take out stuff properly.
Yeah. Oh, bakit may sticker pa yung Dexa?
Hindi, yung shooting na.
Sige na. Try to do that by yourself, Dexa.
Wait.
Okay, nagawa na ni ate. Ayun, oh. Ay, hindi pa. Yung shooting lang pala niya. Ay, bakit?
It's without shot.
Ay, that's not good.
Can't see it.
We will open tomorrow yung others na Dexa. Kasi para ma-enjoy mo. Wala na siya sa wisyo na buuin yan.
Just duplicate.
Kanina pa wala siya.
Oo. So, we will do only 12 today. Oh,
You
2
can
na
do the
lang.
other 12
And then, the others na yung next week. Kasi ayaw mo nang gawin.
Dexa, if you're not gonna do it, then there's
Yeah.
no point in opening these. Because you're the one who's supposed to do it. I'm only supposed to help when it's too
Yeah.
hard.
Kasi yan yung essence ng pag-ano mo dyan, pag-open
Open ng
mo.
Kinder Joy.
Yeah. Is to build it, enjoy, it's a
Okay, where's the
puzzle.
one you put away behind your back?
Bigay mo kay ate. And only one Dexa and we're done, okay? Huwag mo munang i-open kasi hindi mo na na-enjoy. Enjoyin mo muna yung 12 na to. Yan, so ganito yung bata. Wala sa mood si Dexa. Kanina excited eh. So, isa na lang, sabi ko kasi this year,
Hey, no.
Na-overwhelmed siguro
That's
siya.
unacceptable.
ano na acceptable ka dyan? Si ate na nga yung lahat gumawa eh, oh.
Sorry, but this is my first time doing it. I'm 2 years old.
Oh my God. Ilang years mo nang ginagawa to. This year lang siguro yung hindi ganun ka easy.
No, hindi madali.
Oo, kasi the other years kami lang dalawa eh.
And Dexa doesn't have any patience.
Yeah, wala kasing patience tong si Dex ang iibuo siya. And then this year, parang naging complicated, no? Why they make it like that? Naging komplikado yung mga ganito niya, oh. So, 1 na lang, okay?
No.
And then tomorrow yung others.
That's unacceptable, Mom.
Okay, as long as ate will not help you so that you will enjoy. Okay?
Okay, but if it's hard.
Next year, I will not buy you na kapag ganon. Kasi hindi mo pala nalalaro yung toys. I will just buy you a lot of chocolates.
Yeah, we can just buy it.
Ito, oh. May chocolate nga si ate. Dito is special, not chocolate. Masarap pala siya, Dexy. I love it. Yeah. Wala na? Kasi seasonal lang to, di ba?
Yeah, it was for spring.
Oo. Yung ganito na chocolate, it's Lind. Ang sarap niya. It's matcha. So, buong karton matcha.
All
Yeah.
my friends are matcha haters, guys.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ayan, so si ate lang nagustuhan ko din. Si ate lang nag-uubos pero nagustuhan ko nung natikman ko siya.
It tastes like grass because it's green. That's what it tastes.
Oh, gusto din nila ang matcha to eh. Yung, yung binibiling sa Starbucks na yan. Yeah, sarap din nung natikman ni Dexa. Sabi niya, I like what ate ordered. Parang nasa labas ka nun, di ba? With Mikaela. Yan. Complicated siya, be? Dexa? It's complicated. It's okay. At least na-challenge ka.
Then you're gonna open it then.
Oh, panay ganun. I-shoot na sa mukha ni Dexa. Sige. Oh, Dexa. Huwag sa mata. Ah! So, iba na punta. Okay, I will get that. Okay. Last na lang, ha? Ate will help you. Last na. Okay, the big egg na. Okay. Big egg na kami. Panirip na yan ni Dexa.
Dexa, you're supposed to look at the instructions. You're supposed to put this inside first and then you close it.
Okay.
That's why you're struggling.
Eh, alam mo naman ang kapatid mo, yung patience niya ngayon. Siguro sobrang excited na kanina. Naubos na yung energy niya. Kanina pa niya kayo hinihintay eh. Sinag-grocery muna itong mga to. Then kanina pa naghihintay siya na, oh, where are they? Hey. Okay, open. And it's an LOL Super Egg. Milk Egg Chocolate. Ganito yung mga activity ni Dexa.
Go back to this one.
Scissors?
Yeah.
Okay, nabuksan na. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's a big egg. Oh, paano mo buksan? Paano buksan yan? Daddy, yung big egg na, oh. Wow. Kala ko na to. Oh, yan na! Dexy! Wow! Oh, ang cute! Okay, yung scissor. Careful with the scissor, please. Uy, bag! Parang bag siya. Careful. Okay na yan, ah. I-rip mo na lang kasi baka maano yung kamay mo. They are teaching you how to use scissor in school? Oo, parang nabanggit mo ata yun. Parang may ganyan ka na Dexa dati. Wala ba?
No.
Oh, parang luggage. Oo. Oh, mayroon din siyang stickers. Dexy, oh.
Collect all surprises.
Ilan siyang egg? I mean, ilan na eggs ang kailangan mo?
Pala yung mga chocolate na yan.
Pagkaluhaluin mo? Yeah. Form mo daw ng bunny.
Who would eat a bunny? Like white, right?
Kasi naluto na siguro. Wow, ito yung big and giant egg. Super egg.
Eraser?
Oh, eraser yan? Di nga. Oh, eraser siya? No? Eraser pala to? Binigyan nila mga bata ng eraser?
Yeah.
This is a puzzle?
O di, ay ilagay mo sa mga bag mo, Dexa. Pang school. Puzzle siya. So, i-open mo lang, ilagay mo sa bag. O, asan ilagay? Hindi, yung sticker, ilagay mo ng mga stickers, baka mawala. Hindi?
Stick mo yan sa bag niya.
Oo. Design mo yung bag habang may time ka. Kasi yung bag niya kaya ganyan na parang, oo, walang, di, saan yung mga ibang sticker?
That's just a sticker.
Yeah, mga sticker na hawak mo, para saan?
What, this?
Yeah.
That's not sticker, that's puzzle.
Di, yung isa. Yung isa, ito. Yeah.
This is a pin.
A pin. O, the other one, hindi ba sticker yan? O, careful ka with that. May pin yan.
No, they just put this.
Ah, oh, that's nice. Kasi pang bata. Okay. Put mo inside the luggage.
The little girl has a luggage.
Yeah. It's an LOL. Uy, ano yan, Dexa? Luggage yung mga LOL mo. Yung mga nakuha mo. Okay. Put inside.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yan. Hindi ba sticker yan? Okay. Oh, may ring siya? Okay, lagay mo sa inside. Okay! So, that's all?
Nope.
And then, enjoyin mo yan ng mga other eggs mo. Okay! Say Happy Easter, everyone!
Happy Easter, everyone!
Sobra naman yan. Bungi ko na to. Uy, sabihin mo naman na maayos.
Happy Easter,
Dexa, that's too loud. Pag makita mo tong video na to after 10 years, sabihin mo sa sarili mo, oh my God, that's how silly I am when I'm 7 years old. Okay, sige, sige. Sabihin mo na maganda na. Happy Easter, everyone!
Happy Easter, everyone!
Okay. Ala, magalit sa'yo si Jesus kasi importante itong Easter sa kanya. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy Easter again.
Happy Easter, everyone!
Sige na nga. Okay, bye!
Bye!
Kulit. This one.
That's one for 12.
Yeah, so kumpletuhin lang daw niya to.
Then we're gonna do 12 tomorrow.
Yes. Para kasi medyo exhausted na siya. Overwhelmed kasi siya eh. Oh! Another raccoon. Nexie, pangatlong raccoon na yung nakuha natin. Oh my God! Sabi ko, akala niya mabantot yung raccoon na to. Raccoon talaga? Okay. Sige na. Buuin mo yan kasi yung 2, si ate ang nagbuo. So, let's see how you will do that. Sabi ni ate, read the instruction. Di ka nag-read. Come on. Read the instruction. Ipakita mo kay ate na nabuo mo siya. Kasi si ate na gumawa ng 2 raccoon eh.
No?
Oh, yeah. Ito sila oh. 2. Pangatlo na yan. Raccoon. Excited ba kayo mag-zoo?
No. Yeah.
Ano? Siyempre ah. Hindi naman tayo palagi. Yan raccoon. Oh, tsura nila. Nakatulong yung tsura nila, Dexa. Raccoon na yan. Okay, ganito dapat, Dexa, mabuo mo. Oh. Dexa. Ayan. Ganito, yung raccoon na yan. Okay? Ako, tingnan natin kung mabuo niya. 3 piece lang pala yan eh. 3 pieces lang pala, mabilis lang. Okay, ako. Yan na, yan na. Nabuo niya. Ha? Nawala yung ulo. Ulo. Ano nangyari dyan? Dexa, ganito siya, Dexa, oh. Ate. Ate, hindi niya mabuo-buo. 3 pieces lang eh. Ganyan na. Oh my God. You see the instruction, Dexa. 3 minutes ang video. Oh, nabuo niya. Nabuo niya. Okay,
I
give me.
don't know why the raccoon has band-aids.
Ay, may anong bandage? Bakit naman lang ilalagay mo? Ang mga body niya.
But it's not hurt.
Yan, oh. Ang cute nga nila, eh, oh. Yan sila, oh. Grabe tatalo sa mga mata nila. Bilog na bilog. Oh, bakit may ganyan na sticker? Maybe you have to put it on their body. Wala ba? Oh, bakit may ganyan sila? Dexie, do you think why may ganito yung raccoon?
Stickers.
May stickers sila?
Bandage.
Saan ba ilalagay? Yan, 3 na sila, eh.
So cute.
Yeah, they're so cute.
Small babies.
Yun nga lang, 3. Okay, may mga ganitong sticker pa yun. Oh, so, laruin na muna ni Dexa to para ma-enjoy
Hey
niya.
guys. Yes. Imagine the whole rest of these are.
Raccoon. We have a lot of raccoon. Mother of raccoon. Okay. Okay, okay. Bye!
Happy Easter, everyone! Bye!
Ano ba naman yan? Sashimi tayo. Kasi gusto gusto daw niyang mag-culinary. Ngayon, sabi niya, I don't like to cook sa bahay pagka the whole day, that's your work that's your job. O ngayon, ang problema, paano yun? Sabi ko sa kanya, may mga napapangasawa nila mayaman, di sila marunong. Nag-enroll sila dyan para at least may alam sila sa kitchen.
Just for fun.
Saan ako hanap?
Ayan, so sashimi muna tayo. After namin nag-open ng mga eggs.
Saan ako?
Daddy, come here na.
Wala.
Yeah. Kasi misa ata hindi na natin gawin, sobrang dami na.
Dalawa.
Let's eat.
I only need 2 out of the 4.
Okay.